Hey guys, we're going to walk through the 2023 Leprechaun 230FS. This one on the video here is on a Ford chassis, F450 chassis, but you can also get on the Chevrolet chassis as well. Let's take a walk inside this camper, see what we have going on. As soon as you walk in here, of course, you get a great shot of this U-shaped dinette. Also doubles as a bed. Directly across from it, you have a nice countertop there. Single basin barn style sink with a oven there with a 3-burner cooktop with a microwave above it. Moving on into the bathroom here, there's your throne with the shower right behind it. Nice tile look there inside that shower with the skylight over top, so for plenty of headroom. Moving out a little bit there, you see the sink with the mirror directly above it, so that we have plenty of space to make yourself look good for that dinner date with your wife. Moving on out, we're going to move out to the master bedroom here. Nice big queen bed there with massive underbed storage and plenty of storage over top, as well as across from it with all the wardrobes and cabinetry. Has that dark walnut color, giving you that deep tone, making the camper feel bigger than what it is. Right next to it, of course, you have your 12-volt refrigerator right next to that U-shaped dinette. And moving right above the cockpit there, another bed there with your TV that rotates across so you can enjoy it while you're eating dinner. There's a great view into that Ford cockpit there. Plenty of space while you're driving down the road to make yourself feel comfortable.